Josh, you won't believe what happened to me yesterday.
What happened?
I was in my car. On my way back from Jenny's, you know, my hairdresser. I don't trust anyone else to cut my hair.
Okay, and?
While I was driving, a truck tried to bypass me. He went into the opposite lane, and suddenly, a car from the opposite direction was coming straight at him. He swerved into my lane and missed me by a hair.
Oh my God, that made my hair stand on end. That must have been terrifying. How did you make it?
I honestly don't know how I kept my hair on. But hey, I'm alive and I got my new haircut.
Yeah, and it's very nice.
Thanks a lot. And yours is great too.
What? But I'm bald.
Aw. I mean, your barber trimmed your beard amazingly with his hair clipper.
Vocabulary review. Hairdresser.
Hairdresser.
Bypass.
Bypass.
Lane.
Lane.
Swerve.
Swerve.
By a hair.
By a hair.
Make someone's hair stand on end.
Make someone's hair stand on end.
Keep my hair on.
Keep my hair on.
Bald.
Bald.
Trim.
Trim.
Haircut.
Haircut.
Hair clipper.
Hair clipper.
Thanks for watching Enjoyable English Lab. If you enjoyed this video, tell me in the comments what you want to see next. And of course, like, share and subscribe.